Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from DIY Digital Art. So I have a very big painting, a smaller, I think it's 30 by 30 painting, and a little bit of an off the canvas item. So let's go painting, off the canvas, and then huge painting, because it is a very big one. So if you like a challenging one, this one might be for you. But this is the nice small one first. It does have that sort of stained glass type look. There seems to be quite a few paintings like that out at the moment, and to be honest, I'm loving them. They do attract my attention, I think, because sort of that outline just makes them pop a little bit more. So this is a 30 by 30. Oh, my usual tape measure has been pinched. And of course this one is wrapped up the wrong way. So the actual size of this one is about 25 centimetres by, again, just short of 25. So you do need to take 5 centimetres off the border, but it is this gorgeous blossom. We've got the beautiful pinks and blues. It is a square painting, which is quite nice. Quite a lot of my small ones seem to be rounds. It has 21 different colours and it does come in baggies. So we've got some really, really pretty blues and greens in here, a little bit of grey, and then we've got some gorgeous shades of sort of pink and going into a little bit more red, and then we have, of course, some blacks, greys and things for the outlines. So absolutely gorgeous colours, nice to be in baggies. Do of course get a very basic toolkit, but it's a good price on this painting, and I think it's a very pretty one with some really pretty colours. And as I say, this outline that has sort of the black and the grey in it really does help the rest of the items to pop. So that was my choice number one. I then chose this little off the canvas because they're adorable. You know, cuteness is a reason, I believe, anyway. Look at these little guys. I wonder if these are the baby turtles to the turtle in Finding Nemo. Focus camera. Come on, there we go. Look. See? Aren't they so cute? They are sort of a double-sided. They do have peel off. It takes a little bit to sort of get hold of the peel off to get to the sticky, but there is a clear top. Your symbols are of course backwards on the back because it is a clear one, but oh, look at them. Absolutely adorable. Cute little guys. You could probably name them all. Give them all their cute little names. You do get a toolkit. You do also get your keyring attachments. So you've got a keyring attachment and then the ball and chain that you then use. Do we have... Oh, okay. It is on some of them. Does this one have one? No, I have one faulty ball and chain, but the rest are okay. So this is the little loop that's missing off that first one, which allows you to loop the ball back in to secure it, and you pop it through the hole in the turtle, and then you can pop this hook on as well. Yes, so I am one down. I do have one missing. It's not floating about in the packet. So I'd have to be very selective over which ones I turned into keychains. I'm guessing that's a little glitch that's been missed in the packing process. But these don't need to be keychains either, so quite easily use them for something else. Diamonds wise, ooh, they're very pretty. So it is rhinestones that are used for these. Quite a bit of packaging, but they are nice bright colours. So we have a yellow, a pink, a blue, a purple, a green and an orange. We then have these little teardrop in the clear. We also have the leaf shape in the clear. We have the gorgeous little buttons, the little buttons with stars on. Used to be like the buttons I put on kids' cardigans. And then we also have those in a gorgeous pink. So the bright pink is actually the back. It's this really nice, more subtle, shiny pink that you have that is the front facing. So really nice colours for that one. Even if only 4 of them can become key rings. So they're the little turtles. And then we have a monster. So this one is 50 by 100 in size. It's big. It does. Okay. I don't want to take the... Okay. The cover got caught on the outside packaging. So let's cover that back up again. It has come a little bit crinkled at the bottom, but it is poured glue. So poured glue does recover from crinkles. You can either flan it under something, or I have actually ironed the back before. This one is one that goes portrait, not landscape. So if you can't work out what the picture is, it's because it's currently landscape and not portrait. So tilt your head. Let's move it. There we go. Now you can see what it is. So it has 48 different colours, and it is this gorgeous, is that a black leopard? Looks like a black leopard to me. Gorgeous greenery. We've got a tree down here, and then we do get the bottom of the leopard down here as well. It is also a square painting, so if you do like your squares, this one is a square. This would make a very, very dramatic statement, potentially in a hallway. Can you imagine this when you walked into your house every time going, I'm watching you? But no, I think this is an absolutely gorgeous painting that would look lovely in quite a few rooms, but hallway just automatically speaks to me because of the height of it. It has, colours are all in bags. There is a lot of 310, not surprising due to the size of the painting, but that is the bag. 19,640 in black. So if you don't like black, I'd maybe avoid this one. I'm not pulling them all out because it does look like a few blacks have escaped. But there is also what looks like 939. And I'm just going to check. See, this is the 310. This is where most of them have come out of. When they actually get sealed up, they don't actually end up in the bag. Yeah, the bag itself is actually sealed. It's the excess from the top. This is what I wanted to see. 939. Big bag of 939. That's not as big. 414. It's not like a monster bag. Have we got any others that are in bigger bags? No. Some of them are quite full. So there is, say, quite a few different greys. We've got 414, 318. 169 is more the greeny grey. 874's in a, 317, there we go. quite a few greys as well as blacks, and of course the 939. There's also some really dark grey, 3799, which is kind of to be expected for the painting it is. But yeah, if you don't like dark colours, this one's not for you. But if you do love the big paintings, and especially the animal paintings, let me see if I can get it so we can see his face, because I kind of feel that's his best feature, is his face. Yeah, they're quite flexible, these paintings, and yeah, I just think he's gorgeous. And that's why I picked him. So yeah, it is 50 by 100. Let's measure the across, because I think these are fairly close to true. But let's judge it by doing the short edge first. So it is actually 48. Well, a bit over 48 centimetres across. So you're going to be looking at 98 to 100 centimetres tall. But isn't he a beauty? So yeah, they are the three that I picked from today. I will pop links down below to each of them in case any of them take your fancy. They are quite a bit different, but there are many other paintings there to choose from as well. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.